Could the Galaxy S25 launch be delayed? Brace yourselves, because the recent rumor mill might have gotten it all wrong. For weeks, speculation has been swirling about a January 5th, 2025 launch date for Samsung's Galaxy S25 series, all sparked by an online survey from a retailer. Shoppers were asked when they'd like to pre-order Samsung's upcoming flagship devices, leading everyone to believe we'd see an early January release. But hold on, reliable leaker Chunbai just stepped in with a twist. According to him, January 5th is not the launch date, throwing everything we thought we knew into question. Here's where it gets interesting. Samsung typically opens pre-reservations about 10 days before unveiling its new flagship, with pre-orders usually open for around 2 weeks. That pattern led many to expect a January 5th reveal for the Galaxy S25 series, but Chunbai claims the retailer's survey has no connection to Samsung's actual plans. So, while the rumor sparked excitement, it looks like we're back to square one, with the Galaxy S25 release date shrouded in mystery. What do you think? Will Samsung stick to its January schedule, or could we be in for a surprise? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now let's talk performance. The Galaxy S25 was expected to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, but Samsung Foundry may have lost out on producing it. Here's why. TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm yield has hit an impressive 84%, while Samsung's yield has reportedly fallen below 20%. According to industry insiders, TSMC has secured an exclusive deal to produce the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, potentially leaving Samsung out in the cold. And if that wasn't enough, this shift may also mean the Galaxy S25 won't feature Samsung's own Exynos 2500, making the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 the only processor in the lineup. Samsung's struggle with its 3nm technology isn't just a setback. It could reshape its semiconductor division. With TSMC pulling ahead, Samsung has redirected its focus on improving yields to win back client confidence. But will this be enough to reclaim its edge, or are we witnessing a major turning point in Samsung's chip manufacturing ambitions? Only time will tell, but one thing's certain: the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated launches of the year. So what do you think of Samsung's latest challenges and potential changes to the Galaxy S25 series? Will these shakeups impact the flagship's performance? Let us know in the comments below. If you're as intrigued as we are, make sure to subscribe for more updates on Samsung's flagship news. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.